Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center tracking our winter storm, which is arriving for the weekend. Winter storm watch now in effect for the areas in blue, essentially Providence, north and west, and western Kent County. Watch technically means that there's the potential for 6 or more inches of snow in the areas in blue. Notice southern suburbs are not included in the watch. However, you will get into winter weather with some accumulations. But keep in mind that this storm will not be an all snow situation. We do anticipate eventually a change to some sleet, freezing rain, and eventually all rain. Snow showers to our north, not associated with the storm. It's actually back across the central plains. It'll take until tomorrow afternoon to get here. But in the meantime, we're tracking frigid air. So with very cold air in place, all locations, even the coastline, which won't see as much snow, we'll see a start as snow. The winter storm watches have been issued with the height of the storm as far as the accumulating snows occurring on Saturday evening and Saturday night. Take a look at a time lapse down at the campus at URI this afternoon. The snowpack dwindling, but we'll add a little bit to the snow to the ground over the next roughly 24 to 36 hours as we widen out the view. You see some snow showers across upstate New York and northern New England, again not associated with the storm. An indication of some colder air, a reinforcing shot of colder air headed our way. Temperatures overnight tonight may get down as low as 15 degrees. The storm that we're tracking, or at least the moisture from it, is actually way out across the central plains right now in the Mississippi River Valley. You see an area of rain, but once it interacts with the cold air that's already in place, that's when we start to get some of our accumulating snow. Let's do the breakdown here on Saturday. The morning hours will be dry. Light snow showers from roughly 2 until 7 o'clock in the evening. Beyond 7 o'clock, we start to get into some of the heavier snow and sleet up until about 4 o'clock in the morning. Beyond 4 a.m., it's more of a mixture of sleet and rain and not an all snow situation. And then by later Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, the atmosphere drying out. So it's a fairly quick mover. Let's take a look at Futurecast starting off this evening. If you're heading out, no weather problems, just bundle up. It's pretty cold. Temperatures in the teens. Tomorrow morning, waking up to clouds. Now, there may be a few flurries coming in off the ocean, especially eastern Massachusetts Saturday morning, but better part of the morning shouldn't be much of a problem. Though notice by early afternoon, we start to see some scattered snow showers, but the real lion's share of steady snow, here you go, arriving sometime after 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the evening, and this will continue throughout the overnight. But notice the rain offshore. Eventually, milder air takes over, and the precipitation changing over to some rain, especially south of Providence, more of a sleet mixture to our north, and then well to the north of the Mass Pike up in the Berkshires, all snow where more than likely a foot of snow will occur there. As far as accumulations, this is by late Saturday night, and keep in mind this is before the changeover to sleet and rain. Providence points south 3 to 6, points north and west of Providence on the order of 6 to 8, and 1 to 3 across the lower Cape and Islands. And we're leaning more towards the high end here, 3 here, 6 in this light blue zone, and 8 north and west of Providence. But the immediate shoreline, with the quicker changeover to sleet and rain, the amounts will not be as high. So it's kind of a stepping process where the further north you go, the amounts go up. The further south and east you go, the amounts go down. That's for the simple fact that the coastline will be the first place to change over to sleet and rain. So real cold for tonight. Bundle up. Here comes your snow, sleet, and rain for Saturday night. The mixed precipitation spilling over into Sunday morning, drying out in the afternoon, temperature at 35. Bring another chance of some snow showers at least on Tuesday, and a temperature at 35.